Hi everyone, I'm Geeta Srinivasan. In this video, we will see how to integrate GitHub Copilot with Android Studio. First, open Android Studio, go to the main menu, go to the File, and then Settings. Now find the plugins, inside which search for GitHub Copilot. Once you find, click on Install, and then click Accept. Wait for a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, it will ask you to restart the IDE. Select Restart. Once the installation is over, you will see this window. Here at the right side, you can see the GitHub Copilot icon with the chat window. So click on that. You will find the option for sign up. So select that. A window will open. Copy the device code and click copy and open. So now you will be navigated to the sign up page. If you already have an account, you can enter the details or else you have to create one. So I have an account, so I will enter the details and click continue. Now a window will open. So enter the copied code. So once done, a new page will open and here we have to select authorize GitHub Copilot. Once done, we are ready to go and work with the GitHub Copilot. So now we have the GitHub Copilot ready along with the chat window. Once you click the plus icon, here we can see the files. I'm going to select the main activity.java file. And once you enter the backslash, you will see lot of options. I'm going to give explain. So select the model. So I'm going to go with the default and then click enter. So now we can see we get complete details about each line of code in the main activity.java file. So instead of copying and pasting the entire code, we can just click on the file and then give explain. So another way, if we want to get details about specific line of code, then we can highlight that particular line. You will see an icon. So and it will open an inline chat where you can enter your request, select the model, and once you enter, you get complete details about these three lines of code. Now we are going to see another important feature for a developer, that is auto completion of code using Copilot. So now I'm going to comment out the entire button click listener. I'm going to use the help of the Copilot to complete this code. So here I'm going to include a comment stating that give me a code to validate username and password. Once you enter tab, you will get the entire code to handle the button click event. So in this way, we can get code help and code suggestions from the GitHub Copilot and save much time and effort. I hope you like this video. If you like, subscribe to my channel Programming Info by GS. Thank you.